Um, Luna, do you have time to help me tell this bitch about her man before you go?
Always, Bear.
Hey girl, your man is gay.
And you ain't got a clue.
He don't want your pussy, and you don't know the truth. He lied, girlfriend, he lied. He's on the down low. But hey, he's gay, and that's okay.
Girl, don't act like you didn't know.
'Cause you know. He lied, girlfriend, he lied. Your man likes sucking dick. The moon, the bear, and the big blue house all knew that your man is gay. Your man is gay. Your man is gay. Bye, bitch.